Hello students, I am Kafia Attar. Let us learn the remaining part of our lesson Diversity in Living Things and Their Classification. In animals also, there is a lot of diversity. Animals have different shapes and size. For example, the amoeba that cannot be seen with our eyes, a huge elephant, the small snail, the fish that swims in water, a kite that flies high in the sky, butterflies that flit around flowers, a house lizard that crawls on a wall are all animals, but each one has different characteristics. Let us learn the general characteristics of animals. Animals have body parts like a head, a neck, a torso, a tail, and limbs for movement. Animals have various organ systems which carry on various functions inside their body. Hence, in this respect, there is a big diversity in animals also, like plant. Let us learn the classification of animals. On the basis of cell, animals are classified into two classes: unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular. The animals have only one cell are called unicellular animals. For example, amoeba, paramecium, etc. Multicellular animals. Multi means many. Animals having many cells are called multicellular animals. For example, horse, bear, tortoise, fishes, etc. Classification of animals on the basis of backbone. On the basis of backbone, animals are classified into two main classes: vertebrates, invertebrates. Vertebrates, animals having spines or backbones, are called vertebrates animals. For example, snake, birds, fishes, kangaroo, human beings, etc. Invertebrates. Animals not having spines or backbones are called invertebrates. For example, snail, cockroaches, earthworms, etc. We have learned that producing another living things like oneself is called reproduction. On the basis of mode of reproduction, animals are classified into two classes: oviparous animals, viviparous animals. Oviparous animals. Oviparous animals are animals that lay their eggs and hatches them to born a new young one are called oviparous animals. For example, a hen lays eggs and hatches them. After a few days, the young chicks hatch out of the eggs. Hens, ducks, all birds, fishes are the examples of oviparous animals. Viviparous animals. The animals which give birth to their young one are called viviparous animals. For example, a cow gives birth to a calf. Before that, the calf grows within the cow's body. Cow, dog, cats, elephant, human beings are the examples of viviparous animals. On the basis of habitat, Animals are usually classified into four classes: terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibious animals, aerial animals. Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are animals that entirely live on land are called terrestrial animals. For example, cats, dogs, horses, human beings, etc. Aquatic animals. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animal. For example, fishes, octopus, sharks, whales, etc. Amphibious animals. Animals which live in both places, in land, also in water, are called amphibious animals. For example, salamander, tortoise, frogs, crocodile, etc. Aerial animals. The animals which can fly in the sky are called aerial animals. For example, all types of birds. So, today we have classified animals on the basis of cell, on the basis of mode of reproduction, on the basis of vertebral column, and on the basis of habitat. On the basis of cell, animals are classified into two classes: unicellular, multicellular. On the basis of vertebral column, animals are classified into two classes: vertebrates, invertebrates. On the basis of mode of reproduction, animals are classified into two classes: oviparous animals, viviparous animals. On the basis of habitat, animals are classified into four classes: terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibious animals, and aerial animals.